Do you ever feel like you're going through the motions, but your fire for God has faded? Love was never meant to be still. Real love moves. Passivity may feel safe, but it's a prison. In Romans 12:11, Paul writes, "Never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual fervor, serving the Lord." The Greek word translated zeal is spude, speedy diligence. It means swiftly obeying what God shows you matters most, choosing the greater good over good, and doing it with urgent intensity. Paul is urgent here. Don't let your passion cool. The picture is of someone ready to move the moment God speaks. Love doesn't drag its feet, it runs. Think of a soldier hearing an alarm. Delay could cost lives, so he runs without hesitation. That's what zeal looks like, biblical zeal. When God nudges your heart, you move. Passivity feels like comfort, but it's really a trap. The enemy doesn't even need chains if you've already stopped moving. Passivity is a self-made prison. Superficial belief in Jesus and the Bible isn't enough. Revelations 3:15-16. Jesus warns the church in Laodicea, "I know your deeds, that you're neither hot nor cold. So, because you are lukewarm, I'm about to spit you out of my mouth." Jesus was disgusted with their lukewarm belief. Even demons believe, the Bible says, but that changes nothing. Saving faith is alive, burning, compelling you to act on it. Paul said that the love of Christ compels us, 2 Corinthians 5:14. Think about that. If someone says they're in love but never shows any sign of it, they never do anything about it, you know they're not in love. When you're deeply in love, everything changes. The way you think, your desires, everything you do. You just want to please the one you love. That's the divine romance we have with Jesus. We lay down our lives, not out of duty, but because it doesn't even feel like sacrifice. It feels like love. Love is passionate. Love moves. Love acts. When Jesus saw the crowds, he felt compassion for them because they were distressed and downcast, like sheep without a shepherd. Matthew 9:36. So he fed the hungry. He healed the sick. He set the demon-possessed people free, and he laid down his life for all mankind. His love burned like fire, and that same fire belongs in you. Activation. Maybe you felt your heart grow cold. You used to pray. You used to serve, but now you drift. God hasn't left you. He's waiting to rekindle the flame. All it takes is one spark of obedience, one act of love, and his fire can burst into flame in you again. Don't live one more moment without passion, without the fire of God burning red hot in you. Today, find someone to love and ask God how you can love them with his red hot love. Then do it. Don't wait for a feeling. Take a step and watch your passion return. Now, go to your restoration journal and record your experience. This is an important step. Don't skip it. Develop the habit of serving, of loving someone every day of your life, and feel God's love flow through you. Expressing love for others is a powerful way to reconnect your heart to God's. Passivity is a prison, but God's love is a fire. Action is the match that reignites his fire in your heart again. Meet Jesus in loving service to others. This is day 3 in the 12-day series, God Restores Your Wasted Years. Join me tomorrow for day 4. Until then, God bless.